Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back. Today's shave is going to be one with Ariana and Evan's Asian Plum. And this is not in Kaizen or Kaizen 2. I'm not sure what base this is. Doesn't matter. It's good stuff. Love the scent on this. It's sweet, but not too sweet. The brush is Craving Shaving Soothsayer. Have that whipped up here in my collapsible travel bowl, because I'll be traveling at the end of the month and want to use the bowl a little bit, kind of refamiliarize myself with this since I don't travel for work anymore. This has a 26mm Duro knot, and the razor, you've already seen from the thumbnail, is the Feather Professional SS with, I have no idea what use, Feather Pro Guard blade. Why Pro Guard? Because it's in it. All right, now, where's my, there it is. Getting the, hope everyone had a fantastic weekend. Great beginning of the week whenever it is that you watch this. For those that caught my last video, my back is still being stupid, still hurts. I went to the doctor. I was put on an oral steroid and muscle relaxer. So that's always fun. You know, take a muscle relaxer 3 times a day, then try to sit at your desk and do work. In the afternoons, I get pretty sleepy. I have to make sure if I'm not on any calls, I get them walking around a little bit, try to stay awake. All right. So it's been a fun week. I haven't gone to the office. Didn't go in Thursday of last week because I'm meeting it right at 8 o'clock. Didn't go in at all last week. It was actually starting too bad. I didn't think riding on a train for an hour and a half, then having to walk for 20 minutes with how quickly I'm walking now would do anybody any good. So I've been working from home. Is it gonna pass? Maybe, 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 maybe. It's wanting to. With a little bit of help. There we go. Satisfying sploop in the sink. That little bit of hesitation means I probably could put a little bit more water in here. But I'm not going to. Plenty of stubble in there. So yeah, this week with the meds, it's been very interesting. Take the steroid first thing in the morning with breakfast. Take a muscle relaxer. Go work. A couple hours in, take the second one. Second muscle relaxer. Which means come about 3:30, 4 o'clock, I'm really tired. Have to get up and walk around so I don't fall asleep. That usually helps, but then I get off work, go downstairs, eat dinner with the family. And by the time that's done, I go lie down on the couch because my back's killing me, and then fall asleep. So, you know, there's that. And take another muscle relaxer before bed, and fall asleep. So, not getting a whole lot done. Kind of sucks. Because there's things that need to get done, that I want to get done. At least not yet. Oh well. This is my first go around with back pain and everything else. I'm sure it doesn't require surgery like my last one did. The PA said, give it the weekend with these meds. It's not feeling any better. Give me a call. I won't make you come in. Just call the office. What do you need for an MRI? MRIs suck if you haven't had one before. Last one I had one, it was pretty painful. Well, parts of it got really painful. So I do have titanium, 2 titanium rods and screws in my lower back where I've had my part of my spine fused. And I know titanium isn't magnetic. But it still hurt. It was uncomfortable last time I had to have an MRI. So, fingers crossed for the best that the meds work. I'm gonna give it probably through Wednesday. If I don't see an improvement from what I'm feeling right now, I'm calling and going for scan. Which kind of sucks. At the end of the month, I'm supposed to go up on a plane. First I'm going to JFK. I'm going to Tennessee, but we have JFK. So that'll be fun, catching a red eye. Flying into Nashville, driving an hour and a half, and then going to Bell Ridge. A little campground area. Though I am not camping-ish. I did rent a cabin this year. So I can see a cabin and be there all the entire time rather than going driving 20 minutes each way to get to a hotel. So needs to be close by to hang out with my friends. Looking forward to it. Show the stupid back. Doesn't throw a wrench into that. So we'll see. See how things go. And I've flown with a bad back before. But I also wanted some really nice pain meds at the time. I don't have the pain meds anymore right now. Those had been prescribed, so good, go get them if I needed to. This feather is so nice. I know when I initially used one, I borrowed one, I can kind of complain about this grip. But, so yeah, it's not very ergonomic as far as compared to like the CJB that has little bumps for your hand. This, I had no issues with this at all. I love this razor. Pro Guard blade. Really, almost every blade I've used in this has been really nice. Feather Professional, Pro Super Plus, or Pro Supers, Pros, Kais. Oh, been really good. Get a look at that. Access stubble there. There we go. Man. Asian Pear. Phenomenal scent. Asian Pear. I don't have Asian Pear yet. Asian Plum. No Asian Pears on my mind. Maybe you looked at there's a soap that has pear in it. But anyway, I'm gonna shave my head. It's been a couple days. So I'm just gonna stop the video here. Thank you guys for tuning in. For the old subscribers, new subscribers, those that aren't subscribed, hit that little subscribe bell. It's a subscribe button. You can tell the meds are not doing so good. I haven't had any since a little after lunch. That's a muscle relaxer. So I'm not even really in any on narcotics. No Percocet, Lortab, hydrocodone, nothing. Muscle relaxer still messing with me. Anyway, thanks again for tuning in. Hope you all had a fantastic weekend and have a great week coming up. Since it's the beginning of the week. And I will catch you guys next time.